Yo, my boys, my favorite boys, my boys, what's good? We live. Yo, my boys. Yo, my boys, man. Hey, let's get started, bruh. Let's fucking get it. I freaking get it. Whatever.
It's sunset on Friday, I'm stuck on the highway, it's been a while. I'm late to the party, you already started the sparkling wine. I need to find a spark to keep me from the dark. I'm looking for a fire start tonight to light me up all around. 'Cause you're the only one I'm thinking of. Don't let me burn to the ground. I wasted time, these city lights. Still I can't get you out my mind. I need a fire start tonight. I'm looking for a I need a I need a I'm looking for a
Alright, y'all boys, man. Okay, boys. So, so I got, so I got some problems right here. Then I got 5 Code Forces ones. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started then. Okay, so the first is print frequency, each number. So I'm gonna just, and I'm gonna have just a vector. I mean, to be honest, I don't really need an array. I don't need an array. I can just use just a map. I don't need an array because I'm just gonna put all the numbers in the map. Okay. So I'm just gonna say A or something. I'm just gonna put it in the map. And then it's gonna count it. Okay. Okay. Hey, make sure you guys sub up. Make sure you sub and like the stream, man. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Now I gotta print the frequency of everything. So for each pair in the map, I'm gonna print the number, and then I'm gonna print the what you call it, the count. Okay, I can just get, this is 5 numbers. One is 2, 2 is 2, 3 is 1. Okay, so try something else. Try like 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2. That's 3, 3, 6, 8, 4, 1, or whatever. Okay. So we got 1 twice. Yeah, we got 4. Oh, no, we got 2. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We got 3 ones. Yeah, we got 4 ones. And we got 5 2 times. Okay. So that is working. So then I'm go to the next ones. So I'm gonna just be like and 1. I'll just see out odd. Else I'm gonna see out even. Okay. So this is odd. Right. This is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. This is even. I typed in 8. Typed in 8. Even. And this is odd. Okay. So the last bit, print whether the least significant bit is 0 or 1. So I'm just gonna say, I mean, basically it's the same thing as bit. This is how you check what the last bit is. You just end it with 1. Last bit is 1. Else is gonna be last bit is 0. Okay. So we get something like 5. The last bit is gonna be 1. So basically, all odd numbers, the last bit is 1. So if I type in even number, it's gonna be 0. And then if I type in odd number, it's gonna be 1. So all odd numbers, last bit is all odd numbers. Last bit is 1. Okay. And all even numbers, last bit is 0. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Let's try something like 11. There we go. Okay, next one. Multiply by 2. I mean, I'm just gonna have n. I can just say some like, I'm gonna say something like before, and then do this, and then I'm just say after. Okay. Let's say so this is gonna be multiplied by 2 to the power of whatever this is. So this is gonna multiply it by 2. So if I type something like 50, it should give me 100. There we go. But let's multiply it by something even bigger. So this is gonna multiply it by 2 to the power 2. So that's 4. So now if I type 50, I'm gonna get 200. There we go. Okay. Alright. Okay, it's easy. Some patterns now. Okay. Okay, so this n is 5. Okay. So I'm just gonna do for n to get 0 other than n I plus plus for int j gets Mm, it's 0. Actually, I must start from 1 because where should I? Yes. Because for now there's j doesn't I doesn't equal to I. J plus plus, and this should actually give me the entire answer. So I'm just gonna do a new line. I'm gonna have a new line in between. Okay. With 5. There we go. Then something like 1 maybe. Then something like maybe 3. And then something like maybe 100. Okay, but we can't see it. We won't see it. And then something like 100. Something like 100. Okay, kinda. It doesn't fit, but okay, let's zoom it. So that's 100 rows. Okay, let's do a little less. Let's do like 20 because 100 is a little too much. There we go. Okay. So now it's the reverse. I mean, now we just gotta do. Just gotta do. So it has to start at I, and then it's gonna be. Actually, wait. So actually, this is So now we're gonna start at n minus 1, right? And then it's gonna be equal to 0 minus minus, and we're going to start with I. Okay, and just gonna be equal to 0, I think, or something. So yeah, no. Okay. Oh, it's because I didn't do this. Okay, so this should work. There we go. Now it's reversed. So 5 4 3 2 1. That's 5 4 3 2 1 of those. Okay. Okay. So we did that. Let's try some more. Let's try 10. So that's 10 of them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There we go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. So this is next one. Next one is, so I'm gonna start it to keep it simple. I'm just gonna start it. Actually, we're sick. So I'm gonna do this an n, like right there, like okay. And I'm a plus plus. So now it's gonna be at start at 1. It's gonna be less than equal to I sorting. So actually this does have to be like this. Okay, and then I'm just gonna actually CLJ. Okay. Okay, there we go. Nice and simple. Okay. So three. Okay, so now we got the letters. Okay. So the letters. Hmm. Yo, what's up, dude? How you been, man? What's up, my guy? How you been, bro? What you doing, man? What's up? What's up? Welcome to the stream, bro. What's up with you? Okay. So the letters. So I must still have 5 rows, right? And I think I might just um. So I must still have um. Okay, so I must still have. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Then I'm gonna have this. Then I'm gonna have just see out a plus j or something. I think that's it. Okay, so okay, so I can say so like string s is gonna be uh this. Then I'm gonna say s plus equal. Okay, actually no. Sorry, I was busy with studies. All good, man. All good, man. You Gucci, man. All good, bro. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, hold up. Okay, bruh. Okay. So I'm gonna do this one, and then I'm gonna do these ones. Okay. So this is just basically every time the so it's gonna print the amount of it's gonna be n every time. So instead, what's your goal? Mm, I'd say hmm, I mean it's a little bit of all of those. It's a little bit of all of those. What's your what is your goal, man? What is your goal, bro? What is your goal? Okay, so I did the ones from here, so I'm do these ones now. Position of advance and 10. The pressure range then if it's still greater than 10. It's still more than 10. You don't know person's letter or word to them. The number of like 20 percent, not the numbers in decimals. Zeros. Mm, mm, mm. Can you try full-time content creation instead of job? I mean, you can do whatever you want, bro. Like in my opinion, it's best to have a job as well. At least, I mean, you need some sort of income, bro. So, I mean, you can start a business. You can like get a job. Like it's you can do whatever you want, man. So I'm just gonna okay. Now samples equals this of dot size minus one. Okay, okay, okay. Localization. Okay, what the hecky? Oh wait, I gotta count this. I gotta count this. Okay. Internationalization. P43S. Job is in any request for a simple general job. You can position state or your school for schools. Most competitive exam. I mean, yeah, yeah, you're right, man. Yeah, yeah. So Satyan, do you want to start your own business or be a content creator, or like what do you want to do, bro? Oh wait. Whatever. Okay. Business escape from India. What type of business? What type of business? What type of business are you thinking? Let's take this page to each. More than equals one position. Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay, so actually, this is gonna be here, then this is gonna be A, B, C. This is gonna be A, B, C equal. No, wait. I need to have a count as well. Count plus if B is 1 plus C is 1. Count plus if count greater equal to 2 plus. How much would rate your country? Different knows what change, still thinking. I mean, my country is great. I love my country. I actually love my country. My country is great. So I'd rate it like out of 10. I'd say like 9 out of 10. Out of 10, I would say like 9 out of 10. What would you rate your country out of 10, bro? What would you rate your country out of 10? Okay, this should give me 2. Okay, this should give me 1. 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, A. Okay. Okay then, okay then, okay then. Exactly one operations that's basically gonna be to no case operation. It contains program that plus a sequence of statements. Each of them needs to be executed. So executed program means executing all the statements it contains. You're given a programming language, which is execute program and its final value. The variable when the program is executed. So that's 1. Okay, that's 0. Okay, so look at this as 1 over x. Okay. That's 150. This is equal to plus x, or this is equal to x plus this is gonna be minus because that's the only other case. Okay, that's 0. And because of corruption, bad politics, freebies for elections, political parties vote based on religion, no critical thinking among people, no civic sense. Dang. That's pretty bad then. That's pretty bad then. So where would you want to where is your what is your dream country to live in then? What is your dream country to live in? What'd you say? Okay, that's 282A. Thinking of New Zealand. Well, okay, bro. Thanks for joining, man. Can I help you to gain personal branding? No, I'm not charging. Okay, man. Shoot me a DM on Instagram about that. Shoot me a DM on Instagram about that, and we're gonna sort it out. So that's gonna be it for the stream today. Thanks to everybody who joined. Appreciate y'all, boys, man, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Another day, another W. Appreciate y'all. Bye bye. Take care, man. See ya.